fiber optic lessons start. This is Sophia from Hong Kong Hongse Limited. Welcome to my channel. Here are different kinds of optical fiber cable. If you want to learn cables about the types and differences, please follow me. And today's class is optical fiber cable. Optical fiber cable generally consists of three parts: cable core, reinforcement, and the protective layer. Cable core is composed of a certain number of optical fiber in a certain manner, which can be fan-out fibers or tightly buffered fiber, or it can be made into subcables and then bunched and stranded. Reinforcement is designed to solve the problems of lateral tension of the optical cable, usually using strand steel wire or Kevlar. Protective layer is designed to solve the problems of longitudinal compression and impact resistance, usually composed of sheath, filet-yarn, gel, loose tube, steel tap, armoring, steel wires, and other parts. There are these common optical cables: GJXH bow-type cable, also known as drop cable, used in FTTX. Outdoor optical cable, used in outdoor communication networks with requirements for waterproof, anti-corrosion, anti-ultraviolet, anti-red light, etc. Usually model name starts with GY, like this: GYTA aluminum tape armored, GYTS steel tape armored, GYTA 53 heavy armored direct buried, GYFTY or ADSS non-metal optical cable. Indoor optical cable. For indoor use, the most common one is integrated branched optical cable in communication room. Yellow and blue are the most common colors. Submarine cable. It is used for internet access. It has high requirements for waterproof, compression resistance, corrosion resistance, and anti-radiation. It requires optical fiber amplifier and other equipment as relays. Okay, above information is the whole content of Lecture 1. Here we have a question: how to connect cables and equipment? Please follow our updates. We will introduce in the next lesson. See you!